5 scissors. Hello everyone, we have made it. We are in American Dream, one of my favorite malls, and we are at a very special grand opening. As you can see behind me, Bandai Namco is officially opening a store here, which I'm so excited to go and see inside. I am obsessed already with the layout, and we've got a cute little Pac-Man behind me. Gonna have to go say hi, see what's going on in there with him, and explore and see what toys we want to pick up. Let's check it out. So cute, right? The lock. I don't know. I already see some Anya Forger in the corner there. A little Spy Family action. I actually think I have this set, but ooh, and I see Sailor Moon. Definitely something I need to add to the collection. I dressed up as a character from Sailor Moon. Guess who it was at the last convention I was at? They're the little minis. Anya, of course, is one of my go-to characters. She is so adorable. I don't care what size she is, to be honest with you. Look at this face, though. If I had an Anya, I think I would just give her everything. She could do no wrong. Oh, and then next to her is little Tanjiro. He's looking very much like he's gonna kill some demons right now. Very vicious look on his face. Oh, of course, next to Nezuko. These two can't be separated. I don't know, who is cuter? I feel like we need to do a little competition. Do you think Nezuko is cuter than Anya? I don't know. Two different levels of cuteness. Oh, the eyes though. Look how adorable their eyes are. I really am just like, I don't know who to choose. They're both so cute. Definitely was obsessed with Sailor Moon in my high school days. Still am. These are the coolest kits though. So you can see on the side, there's different faces, and you can actually switch out the faces on her so she can have different expressions. Oh, this one's super cute too. Let me try and show you the faces on the corner. They're so adorable. This is always a fun one to play and mix and match around with. Speaking of Pac-Man, look, it's the mini variation. A little bit smaller than that one, right? I know you don't have this in your Bakugo collection. This is probably one of the sickest expressions. This is so him. I think we need to get you one of these. I don't think Emily has this.
She doesn't.
Right?
I don't think so.
I know, we're just gonna rub this in after we rub the Gundam into, you know, Carla's face, but this one's pretty sick. We got some icy hot action. I don't really, he doesn't, okay, no, now I know his positioning. I couldn't see it for a second. I mean, he is bad. He's pretty badass. I love me some icy hot. Deku is just looking like he's in his raggedy phase. This is definitely when he really needed a shower. It's cool, but he looks great, you know. He's still keeping it together, high fashion. For that time when I accidentally gave away this Godzilla. Sorry guys, that was a definite spoiler alert on my end. But now I'm not spoiling. Okay, behind me are the Tamagotchis. I'm pretty much obsessed with Tamagotchis now. I just wish we had this whole watch setup because I think this is so cool. I probably would have kept mine alive for a lot longer. Oh my gosh, is that the Tokyo Avengers holding these freaking Tamagotchis? How cute is this? I feel like they would just kill their Tamagotchis purposely though. Kill each other's Tamagotchis in a war. Oh, Demon Slayer. Look how cute these ones are. Definitely feel like you need to get one of these though if you get the mini Tamagotchi set. Because these are so cute. It's like they're multitasking, being a cute little toy, but also actually holding up your Tamagotchi. The store is officially open. As you can see, the line is now opening up, so people can shop for their favorite characters.